The Basque Electron Microscopy facility we've been running here at nanoGUNE for the last decade has been extremely successful in establishing local and international collaborations.
The Electron Microscopy laboratory at nanoGUNE is a team of highly qualified specialists working with the state-of-the-art instruments. Using a comprehensive set of modern electron microscopy techniques, we solve the problems from almost all areas of material science, starting from dynamics of individual atoms to processes in liquids and metal plasticity. To face the challenges which are rising now in the fields of nanomedicine and energy, we are acquiring the new instrument with unique capabilities, thanks to the funding from the Ministry of Science.
We are glad to introduce our CRYO Plasma FIB, the latest addition to the laboratory. It is a cutting-edge electron microscope that merges a few high-demand techniques in one machine. They are cryo conditions, high-power plasma FIB, and time-of-flight secondary ion mass spectrometer, in addition to all standard detectors and analytics. It is uncommon to find all these three features in a single instrument, which adds to the uniqueness of this tool.
The laboratory has been fully refurbished specifically for these sophisticated machines. It has been adapted to comply with Biosafety Level 2 regulations. These are the highest safety standards we require for the work we do now. Now that all the components have been fully assembled, the facility is fully functional and able to provide the highest level of technical quality through the very best specialists providing consultation and operation of these machines.
Cryo conditions offer new horizons for life science research, such as characterization of the biological structures in their pristine state and sample preparation for cryo-electron tomography. Now we can freeze sensitive samples at liquid nitrogen temperatures, including live tissues or cells, as well as many other materials. And in fact, CRYO FIB is highly applicable beyond the life sciences too. It is essential in material science for studying polymers, emulsions, or lithium-ion batteries.
With its capacity for large volume removal, we can cut away millimeters of a sample inside the microscope, providing several benefits. For example, data can be collected from larger regions, or we can cut through a large volume of material to access the area of interest. It provides an exciting opportunity to directly cut the lithium and battery shell within the microscope, enabling detailed examination of the internal structure.
The time-of-flight secondary ion mass spectrometer is a very sensitive instrument able to detect even trace amounts of the chemical elements, including the lighter elements such as lithium and hydrogen. An additional benefit of this system is the highly localized targeting that it is capable of. This allows us to study coatings, multi-layered materials, lithium-ion batteries, dope materials, and even isotope tracing in biological tissues and cells.
This very unique new piece of equipment will allow us to improve considerably our existing capabilities in material science and nanotechnology, and most importantly, we'll be able to take a giant new step in the fields of energy and nanomedicine. And with the addition of this new tool, combined with our expertise, we look forward to the opening up of new opportunities in collaboration with other research institutions and with industry.